Do you manufacture welding wire, cables, or wires? High transport costs, insufficient storage space, and the danger of oxidation in transport, also by sea, are problems you struggle with daily. The solution? The innovative Spazzolplastica Konik drum. The first conical drum for transport and storage, but cylindrical in use and reusable multiple times. Thanks to a patented and innovative solution called cylindrical shape, which involves the insertion of a thermoplastic sheet that compensates for the height of the conical shape, and then it makes it cylindrical inside, so as to be compatible with standard machinery on the market. It also minimizes the risk of jamming and facilitates the cooling of the wire during drumming. Its conical shape makes it extremely easy to insert one drum into another. This way, you optimize storage space and reduce transport costs to the benefit of reuse. In fact, each truck can carry as many as 1,400 Konik, compared to 380 traditional cylindrical drums. And thanks to the Klimmer version, wire oxidation in transport will no longer be a problem. Sealing of the drum and total insulation are ensured by a gasket on the edge of the lid and the removable plastic inspection window. Konik is a 100% sustainable product made entirely of recycled plastic. The possibility of reuse guarantees a significant reduction in CO2 emissions compared to traditional single-use drums. And that's not all. At the end of their life cycle, we buy back your used drums to provide for their recycling. A true example of a circular economy. Konik drum is available in different sizes, complete with customizable labels and all the necessary accessories for its functioning. Konik is manufactured by Spazzolplastica, the company that has been in the field of welding wire products for more than 40 years, with 10 million pieces produced annually and exportation to more than 55 different countries. Want to know more? Click here to get in touch with us.